Hey guys, this is part one. I'm building my house right now. Not my house, but my little starting home. This video is about hunting and mining. So here's the video. Your first home's always crappy. So that's what we've gotten so far. Mining. We're gonna need to find some diamonds though. Let's make some torches. Oh crap, I'm so stupid. We have to make sticks. Sticks. Torches. There, I'm over here. Okay, let's cover this up. Make a door. Oh, I don't have enough to make a door. Okay, let's go mine. Let's make smelt some stuff. Oh, there it is. Oh shoot, we need food. I'll cook that really quick. The difficulty's really high on the server. It's like the difficulty's really high, so to make it more legit, more harder. Your hunger goes away quick. And I'll probably fix that after this video, but actually, you know what? We're gonna go hunt right now. Let's make a simple sword. Some stuff. Not enough food for now. Let's go back. There's a village over there. We'll go steal some stuff from them. So yeah, I showed you what I already showed you what we mined. I literally just started this world like 2 minutes before, and I got some stuff. It's the stuff that I got so far. Let's cook this meat. We're gonna make an iron furnace, I think. Yeah, we're gonna make an iron furnace. So this is an iron furnace. Okay, let me get some iron. I think it needs to be. Does it need to be refined? No. Iron furnaces are like twice as bad, twice as good. Okay, put this meat in here for extra. We'll smelt all this. Make a pick out of that. Look how much faster it is. See, it's faster. Now look at this one. See? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. It's not that much faster, but it's faster. Silver ingot. Now what? Okay, we'll make a pick out of. Make a pick out of this. Emerald pick. Yep. Make an emerald shovel too. There we go. Okay. And then I guess we'll go mine more. We need to find a better mine though, because as you can see, ours sucks. So yeah, emerald picks are really good. Well, not really good, but they're better than like iron and oh crap, that's huge. But you know what we need to do though? We need to go make some torches. I forgot about that. Okay, let's get some torches. Burn me to the ground. Oh, oh. And we're gonna get some more wood later, but for now. Might as well just make 4 more. Okay, put all this back. Okay, I think we're ready to mine. Actually, we'll get this just in case we get stuck somewhere. Okay, I guess we're ready to mine. So, my friends might join. Okay, I saw this cave over here look big. I just thought this was a little tiny oil rig, and then I saw how big it was. Ooh, yeah, I see something good down there. Yeah, baby. Got some sapphires. Those are good for everything. Sapphires, you can transmute them into diamond. Let's just cover this up. See if there's any more. Yep, and there is. That's it. I think we'll cover this oil up, but we're gonna use this oil later in future videos. It's annoying because you can't see through it like you can water. See, I can see my house because I made a waypoint. Waypoint, you press the period. You press waypoints, then you press add. It's easy. I think most people already know how to do that. We'll get some of this tin. The only thing this pit can't mine is obsidian. And you need obsidian for a lot of things, so you're gonna have to find diamond. And this pick doesn't last that long either. I mean, it does. It's like iron. It lasts as long as like an iron pick. Uranium. That's worth a lot. Usually, you only find one uranium. So we got sapphires. We got uranium. Dang! I forgot to set my home. I always forget to do that. Man, we're getting rich. Okay, so let's get more of this, more of that, some more bronze. Oh my gosh, got some gold over there. Man, I need to set my home. If I fall in lava or something, I can escape. If I just set my home. This is a little dangerous. Don't want to lose all this stuff. That would suck. I just want that gold over there. Just in case that gold wants to fall off. We'll get all this. Yes, we got lots of gold. So we're gonna need diamonds. So that's that. I'll find diamonds off the camera because so we need that uranium too. So we'll go back down. We'll go down there. This is so dangerous. Some more redstone too. Okay, make sure that. Okay, let's see. Some more of this. So guys, I'm gonna stop the video in a minute or two, and then that's just for this video. I mined a lot of stuff, as y'all can see. The next video, I'll show you how to make generators, copper wires, and all that amazing things. After the second video, y'all know a lot about this because that's one of the main videos. This one was just mining, but yep. Go back up there. I'll go back to my house, smelt some stuff, and then I'll end the video. Shoot, this is what I meant by if I get stuck or something, I'm gonna have to get more. Might as well. So yeah, I'll find some diamonds when I stop the video. Okay. Is there a cave over here? Yep, there's a cave. Let's just look in here really quick. Here we go. Sapphires, like 6 sapphires or 7 sapphires, like make a diamond. Maybe it's 8. I don't think it is. I'm gonna set my home. Yeah, this is a server too. If I didn't tell you that. Okay, send me to the ground. Okay, I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to set. So waypoints. set. Okay, what the heck? Okay, add, and then you put, I'm just gonna put mine 2. Okay. Off. So where's our home? Oh, did I just turn that one off? Yeah, I did. Okay, well, that's about it for this video. Let me go back up fractured then. There's a lot of crap in there. Actually, do we have rubies? Yeah, we have rubies, but should I go get it? Do y'all? I wonder if y'all wanna. No, let me just go back up. I don't think we're that far. That kind of scares me when it runs out sometimes. Okay, there's the ground. Yeah, we're not that far down. What sucks is when you're digging up and there's lava. That's just retarded. I hate when that happens. Yeah, I keep forgetting to set my home, so this is stupid. There's the surface. Did we really come up on a lake? I hate when you get drowned and it like pushes you down. Has that ever happened to y'all? It pushes you down. That's just retarded. Okay, so my home is right here. Okay. Well, thanks. Okay, let's get all this in here. So we mined a lot of stuff in this video. Look at all this. So thanks for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. In this second video, I'm gonna have diamonds in that one. I'm gonna go mine and find some in the second video. I mean, if y'all want me to, I can mine now, but I don't want the video to be too long. So I'll show how to make generators. I'll show how to make copper cables and stuff like that. Well, thanks for watching part 2, and get ready for part 3.